have the rice. Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today recipe is ground meat fried rice. So these are the ground meat here, and this is the boiled rice, and these are all the ingredients. Bonchol, green leaves, onions, pepper, salt and seasoning, and oil. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to use here. So you guys are welcome to this channel, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. And thanks for now, and watch out for the preparation. This is one of the best fried rice you can ever eat. It's so delicious, and at the same time full of mineral and vitamins. So watch out and see how I prepare all these ingredients for food. Thanks for now, and subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. Thank you, and God bless you, and watch out. So it's time to prep for the ingredients. These are the carrots. Trying to slice them, and just go. Please subscribe to this channel. This is a place you can learn a lot of easy cook. This is it. So these are all the diced carrots. It's time to dice the onions. So same way, I'm going to dice all the onions. Same way, dice the carrots. Take it off. Now these are all the bunches. Just have to dice it first. It's a wet shop now. It's just I have to take it off and start the cooking process. So this is time to add oil, and I'm gonna add some of the onions right away. I'm going to add this ground meat. So I'm just going to let it start cooking. And now that powder just go in. Right? Enough. And I'm going to have some of the seasoning to eat. A little bit of salt, this, and a little bit of red wine, just a little to change the color. So this is it. You just have to let it start cooking. So start adding every other ingredient. Subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. So the meat is cooking now. The next ingredient to add is the rice. just have to add the rice. Now just add the carrots. So I can mix everything together. Mix hot chili pepper. I'm gonna have a little bit of salt again of the rice and a little bit of seasoning. Okay. And mix together. This is it. Just mix it up to get it dry. Just have to gonna add the vegetable. Just give it 5 minutes more, and that is it. So this is the rice now. It's cooked. First to start the rice. So yummy. This is so creative. This is yummy. Ground meat fried rice. This is it. Very yummy. Oh my god. Time to serve it. And now just gonna serve the rice. We'll be serving it with the egg. Yes, this is the rice. This is so good. To this pan, and I add oil. This is the salad. Seasoning for the egg, pepper for the egg. Just gonna serve this delicious ground meat fried rice. So delicious, guys. So delicious. This is it. Just gonna wait. Put it. This is the egg. This is the rice. Everything is ready, and I just gonna start eating it. Thanks for viewing. God bless you.